Introducing the BitVault, a micro carry case that's far from ordinary. Pockets and bags aren't designed to carry small items. They get lost, dirty, or even destroyed. Existing keychain pillboxes are almost always cylinders. We get it. They're easy to make and cheap to produce. But they don't fit well with your keys. And they're either too small to hold anything or too big to carry around. Our first insight was to flatten the canister so it nests on your keychain, but still has the internal space to carry a wide range of small objects. The cap-mounted tray helps you access and organize your items. Dual magnetic hex bit sockets transform the BitVault into a small yet powerful screwdriver. Just carry the bits you need and you're always ready. A custom gasket seals the BitVault tight, and quick-release clips lock the lid in place. We design the container, but you make it the product you want. Whether you're a cyclist and need a few bits for a long bike ride, or you're heading out on a first date, or maybe you just want to be prepared for whatever the day may throw at you. Carry what you need and leave the rest at home. Just clip it and you're ready for your next adventure.
This is the Schrade SCTPT keychain pry tool, measuring only 3.25 inches and weighing in at 1/2 an ounce. The SCTPT is small enough to fit on your keychain while offering the owner a variety of helpful and practical uses. This handy item is made of 6Al4V titanium, a lightweight and extremely durable metal. The stone-washed finish gives it an attractive look that is also scratch resistant. A strap cutter is built into the SCTPT and can be used to slice through seatbelts, webbing, and cordage. Additionally, the SCTPT sports a cap opener for your bottled beverages, a flathead screwdriver, a scraper, and a pry tip for achieving leverage in smaller and hard-to-access locations. The design features cutouts for wrench drivers. A convenient 1/4 inch hex wrench is also built into the SCTPT. To keep it close at hand, a lanyard hole is provided, or you can attach the SCTPT directly to your keychain. Designed for everyday carry on your backpack or anywhere else you choose. Crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCTPT keychain pry tool.
This is the PryBrid utility from Gerber. Two things that Gerber's done really well for a long time is blades and solid state tools. The PryBrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. The PryBrid utility is safe and easy to carry with 3 slide lock positions: closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. A pass-through slot in the frame allows you to cut cord and wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. PryBrid utility offers 8 tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. Perfect for carrying in a pocket or on a keychain, the PryBrid utility offers tremendous function and a compact factor.
lever gear. We create products that solve problems. We're passionate about design, engineering, and craftsmanship. This is the ToolCard Pro. It's a credit card size multi-tool with an unmatched 40 tools. It slips easily into your wallet, or with a snap-on money clip, it can be your wallet. Money clip that opens beer bottles, or boxes, or cans. The ToolCard Pro is made in America from heat-hardened 420 stainless steel. It's TSA compliant, so you can take it anywhere. So join us and be prepared to get things done.